A patient whose arm is bleeding, I'm going to go ahead and perform the C-clamp technique. First, take the gauze, hold it down, wait a few seconds. If it decides to bleed through, we're going to go ahead and perform a pressure bandage. Go ahead and hold on, sir. Thank you. Take the other gauze, fold it up in a square. Thank you. Place it on top. Place it. Place your arm again. Thank you. Take your other gauze and start wrapping. And that is how you perform a pressure bandage. So as you can see, patient lost a lot of blood and went unconscious. I'm going to go ahead and start CPR.